What's good? It's GFAM, back again with another one. And today's review is...
Look, Yachty's.
Go ahead.
Deep Cuts Yachty's Pizza. Pepperoni Bacon Pizza. Look, Yachty.
Look, Poland's. What did you say? Pepperoni bacon pizza. That's what we trying today. Lil Yachty's, aka Lil Poland pizza.
Pepperoni and bacon.
Pepperoni and bacon, and you know in the bag you put your oven on 400 and let it cook for your preference, because you know everybody don't like their pizza the same.
Right.
Some do, but
I like mine to cook.
We're gonna give this thing a try. Give it a 0 out of 5, and if you like what you see, like and subscribe. As you can see, we already cooked ours.
Yeah, we already done cooked it.
Yeah, these paper plates.
So is.
And it says it got bacon and pepperoni on it, right?
And the rice will be rising crust.
And the crust is rising. It got the good grease drizzle on there from the pep. It smells delicious too, by the way.
Bacon on here.
And you can get the Lil Yachty pieces at around here, Walmart.
My bad. I wasn't trying to.
Without me. I guess I would do good myself.
My bad.
Might take another bite of this. Well, since you ate first,
well, I gotta review. Okay. I'll give it a 3 out of 5. It's not nasty at all. It was just like something it was missing something for me, but I give it a 3 out of 5.
Well,
I went back again though.
It is frozen, so
Did too.
for a frozen piece of quality, I gotta hit this again. I gotta try a piece of this crust, y'all. Give me a second.
Crust is good.
Hit this crust. Got stuff.
Yeah, I give it 3 out of 5. I want a little more sauce. That's just me.
You give it a 3 because of more sauce. I had a lot of frozen pieces in my day.
And it is good. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's good. Just want a little more sauce.
I ain't gonna front. Maybe I'm just hungry, but I give it a 4. To me, it's the crust. It's good, soft, crunchy, but I like garlic butter and stuff like that. So that's just me. That's my thing. The sauce tastes pretty good. It's a sweet type of sauce. It just wasn't enough of it. Pepperoni is fine. I could have used mine a little bit more crispy, but hey, I cooked it, so I could have cooked it longer. But I didn't get enough bacon.
That
I didn't get enough bacon. And what is supposed to be? Applewood smoked? No, it's just regular bacon. Just bacon.
It's smoky bacon.
Smoky bacon. You get when you cooking it, you smell it. That aroma is all over the house. But I didn't get enough of it. But I would give this a 4. It ain't bad. It's actually pretty good, Lil Yachty.
I actually buy it again.
Pretty good. I could eat this again. Actually, probably we'll revisit this and try some more flavors by him. Right. So, you got anything else to say on the pizza? I know mine was a bit long, but it's a lot to break down here. And the cheese is pretty good too.
Cheese real good. I just wish we had a little more sauce and some bacon.
That's it, some more bacon. But y'all, we're gonna get through eating. That's the review for the day. Whoa. We out.
Oh,